Hey Kitty, can you read me a story, please? I'm all set to read the story. Are you ready? Happy Easter, everyone! I just finished my Easter egg hunt. See my eggs? I don't know how many are there. Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! I got 8 eggs. What about you? You got any Easter eggs today? You know who is coloring these eggs? Maybe you will find the answer after reading today's story. Come, let's start reading together. Hen's Pens from Phil Roxby Cox and Step-Hen Cartwright. Hen has new pens. She has 10 new pens.
When will you use your new pens, Hen?
Now, brown cow.
What will you draw?
Straw and the big blue sky and the yellow bird flying by. Hen hops off her nest. Drawing patterns is what I like best. And zigzags are better than all the rest. She zigs and zags from left to right. She zigs and zags all day and night until her paper has run out. What can I draw now? She shouts.
Draw on your eggs,
Says brown cow.
Draw big dots on your eggs.
Or more zigzags? Hen begs. Hen's zigzags are very bright indeed. Zigzags are just what all eggs need. I'm sure the others will not mind if I zigzag all the eggs I find. Now all the eggs are in a dreadful mix. Sorting them out is hard to fix. Hen has made a bad mistake. That's not her chick. It's a baby snake. The end. Now tell me, who is coloring these eggs? Hen! Yes, you are right. H-E-N. Hen. Hope you liked the story. But friends, anybody saw this little yellow duck in this book? It is there in almost all the pages. Can you tell me how many times you saw this duck in the story? You can watch this video again and type your answer in the comment box below. If you enjoyed reading with me, you can like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories. Bye! See you with another story next time.